What up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy. I'm back with another one. I've been away for a while, but this video is not about explaining myself. We have a new system under TradingView, under my YouTube channel and under my services. So this indicator works best on trending markets. The indicator name is Smart Trend Flow. I've been testing it. I've back tested it. It works fine on gold, on indices, and even on currency pairs. The best time frame to use it is the 1 hour time frame, but we're currently looking at the 15 minutes time frame and we are looking at gold. So how this system works, or how this indicator works, it works best on trending markets. Sometimes even if the market is not trending, but if the market is not trending, then I would recommend that you just scalp instead of holding trades much longer. So in this video, I'm going to explain what this system is and how it works. Okay. So since we're currently looking at the 15 minutes time frame, let's just quickly jump into the 1 hour. Okay, seeing that we are on the 1 hour time frame, which is the time frame that I would recommend when using this system. So what this system is a trend-based trading system. So as we all know the famous saying that the trend is your friend. So with this system, it becomes easier for you to actually trade with the trend when the market is trending. For example, for instance, let's just look at this face right here. We weren't really trending, we weren't having much trend. So going back to psychology when it comes to trading, when you trade using this system, you have to have a better psychology and you have to have a better trading experience when it comes to psychology. Because if you don't have your psychology correct, then this system won't work for you as much as any other system doesn't. Let me guess, if you are watching this video, you're one of the traders who have actually tried a lot of systems and you've traded with those system or strategies, and as soon as they didn't work, you just gave up and jumped into another system. So I'll be realistic with you. I'm going to just say, if that's the kind of trader you are, just skip this video and go and find another strategy. But if you are tired of looking for a strategy or a system that works, stick with me until the end of the video. This system will allow you to be profitable and it will allow you to change your trading for the better if you follow the simple rules of how this system works. Okay. So make sure you also join the Telegram group. Link is in the description. The free Telegram group whereby there will be results for this system. I'll be sending results and free signals there using this system. But there is a premium membership as well, whereby you'll get access to this indicator or this system that comes with a lifetime premium membership on Telegram, full support community whereby we'll be helping each other how to use the system, spotting interest and everything. But going back to this, as you can see, guys, here, this phase here, we were kind of consolidating, okay? But even if we were consolidating, we would have gotten some opportunities. So if yeah, using this system, how this system works, usually how I use it when I'm on the 1 hour time frame. You wait for the market to change direction. As you can see, we were having a minor buy. We were buying, okay, on gold. We had this buy right here before switching up to sell. So let's say we were buying right there and then the market gave a sell. We had a shift in market structure, okay. What I like about this system also, if you have the knowledge of price action, you can still combine price action with this indicator, okay. We had a market shift with full momentum. As soon as we had that, usually I don't recommend entering immediately as soon as you have the sell signal or the buy signal. I usually wait for the comeback and retest, okay. I wait for price to give a signal, come back to retest, then I enter. That's my recommendation for using the system. Let me quickly change the color of this, okay. So we had a sell, market came back to retest, and this is my regular entry when I use the system. Enter here, stop loss above recent high. So I will be targeting these recent lows, but of course you can write the trade as you set your stop loss to break even. Okay, so notice that we had a buy also after the sell. This is what I like about this system. It filters out false signals. So as you can see, we had a sell here and then we had a buy, but the trend filter is still red, indicating that we are still bearish. So I wouldn't recommend entering that buy while we are still bearish. So ignore the buy if you are in a bearish trend. As you can see, during the sell, we had another sell, whereby if you would be in an existing trend or trade like the one that I showed you the example of, when you receive another sell, then enter another sell position. Okay, so this would have been a won. We would have won this trade. Okay, notice how we also shift another structure and we had a buy, but this would have become a loss. But keep in mind that you don't have to capture each and every trading opportunity that comes your way. After a win, you know that you can't, for instance, you had a sell win and then you just receive a buy and then you want to enter another buy, and then you receive a sell, you want to enter. No, that's not how this works. Remember, mind you are in 1 hour time frame. Okay, this would have become a loss if you would have entered this trade, but it's a good setup because we had a market shift and then market came back to retest, then you would have entered a buy. As you can see, if I zoom in properly, we have rejections candles. We have candles that are rejecting right here. So it's a proper buy. But you have to keep in mind, reason why I'm always saying that if you're going to be trading with this system, it's compulsory that your psychology is up to a good standard, okay? Because you won't win all the time. There is no 100% winning strategy. But with this system, with this indicator, you will win more than you lose. And if you lose, you will make up your losses back with only one good trade. As you can see here on gold, gold gave us a buy, okay? We had a buy, very beautiful buy. Broke structure. Usually when I receive a buy, I don't enter immediately. As you can see, this buy, we got it while this trend filter is red. So I wouldn't recommend entering immediately. have to wait for price to go up, okay, come back, then enter right here. I got into this trade myself personally, and it was a very good trade. No drawdown, no whatsoever stop loss. So notice how the market, sorry about that, my laptop is a bit malfunctioning. So market shot up, came back to retest. This is a beautiful entry, went up. If you missed this entry, don't stress, don't force anything. You can still enter during the trend, but wait for it to come back again. As you can see, it came back again here. Then I would recommend entering that buy. As you can see, I would recommend entering that buy again. So we had a buy opportunity here, of which was a very good buy. Okay, take profit here or just ride the trend. It's up to you. It's up to your risk tolerance. So we had another buy here. If you missed that opportunity, you wait. This is about waiting. Good trades and good profits come to those who wait. So if you wait long enough, you have to be patient. You don't always have to trade to just make money every day, or you want to become rich immediately or today. That's not the case if you're going to trade using this system. But as soon as you get a premium membership, just know that you'll get the full support of how to use the system and everything. So notice how we had a sell here. Okay, it wouldn't have been bad to enter that sell immediately. Okay guys, so I'm sorry about the fall that you keep seeing on the screen. My laptop is malfunctioning, but I hope there's value in this video as you watch. So it wouldn't have been a bad trade if you entered immediately. Okay, you would have been into deep profits actually. But I don't recommend entering a trade immediately. As you can see, price went up. Okay, came back again, but it didn't touch our trend filter, so I wouldn't have entered. Actually, I've been looking at this trade and I didn't enter. So what I'm actually going to wait for is to wait for price to come back into this filter, okay, and then enter a sell. Notice that also when using this indicator, it has to align with the 15 minutes time frame. So if you receive a sell like this and you don't want to wait, just simply jump into your 15 minutes time frame. Okay, notice that we had that sell on the 15 minutes time frame. After that sell, market came back and retested. So this would have been on a lower time frame, you would have caught this sell, unlike on the 1 hour time frame, and you would have ride this trend up to whatever profits you are satisfied with. So that's it for this video explaining the system on how it works. Make sure that you join the free Telegram group. Link will be on the description. Our TikTok link will be also on the description. Instagram link will be on the description as well. So this system works on all currencies, indices, and gold. Peace guys. Happy trading. As you can see right now, we are on US13 1 hour time frame. I would recommend entering a buy right now, right here. Matter of fact, I think I should go on and enter that buy, because this is a good setup, the kind of setup that I would recommend you enter. There we go. Let's get it. I'm out, man. Peace.